Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Christian, founder of StageAI Plus Foundation, and today we're going to talk about something you've probably been hearing about everywhere lately: artificial intelligence, a phrase you've likely heard quite a bit, or as most people call it, AI. Now, if you're anything like I was when I first started learning about AI, your first reaction might be, what in the world is everybody talking about? I remember reading articles, watching videos, and listening to people explain AI using words that somehow made me more confused than when I started. At one point, I was pretty sure I needed 3 computer science degrees, a math tutor, and maybe a translator just to understand a basic conversation about it. Fortunately, that's not true. The good news is that AI doesn't have to be complicated, and by the end of today's lesson, you'll understand the basics without needing any technical background at all. So let's start with the simplest explanation possible. Artificial intelligence is a computer system that has been trained to recognize information, learn patterns, and help perform tasks. That's it, simple as that. It doesn't mean a robot is moving into your house. It doesn't mean computers are taking over the world, and it definitely doesn't mean your toaster is secretly plotting against you. Most AI is actually pretty boring, and that's a good thing. Most AI simply helps people accomplish everyday tasks faster and easier. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Many of you have probably already used AI without even realizing it. If you've asked Siri a question, used Alexa, used voice to text on your phone, asked your GPS for directions, or turned on captions while watching a video, you've already interacted with AI. AI has quietly become part of many of the tools we use every day. Now let's talk about why AI matters to the people we support through StageAI Plus Foundation. For many seniors and adults with disabilities, technology can sometimes feel overwhelming. Passwords, apps, websites, updates, pop-ups, logins, and somehow every website wants you to remember yet another password. Honestly, half the battle is remembering where you wrote the password down. This is where AI can become genuinely helpful. Not because it's flashy, not because it's trendy, but because it can simplify everyday life. AI can help with appointment reminders, medication reminders, creating shopping lists, answering questions, reading information aloud, helping organize schedules, and making technology easier to use. Now, this is actually one of the reasons we created Suzy. And no, this isn't a sales pitch. I just want you to understand why she exists. When we looked at how people were using technology, we noticed something. Most AI systems are designed to do a little bit of everything, but many of the people we support needed help with very specific things. Remembering appointments, keeping track of medications, finding information, staying organized, learning new technology. So rather than building another generic assistant, we designed Suzy specifically around those everyday needs. Throughout this course, you'll hear us reference Suzy from time to time because many of the practical examples we'll discuss are exactly the kinds of things she was created to help with. People often ask, how does AI actually learn? Think of it like teaching a child. The more examples a child sees, hears, and experiences, the more they learn. AI works in a similar way. Developers provide large amounts of information. The AI looks for patterns. Over time, it becomes better at recognizing information and responding appropriately. That's a simplified explanation, but it's a good way to understand the concept. Now let's be realistic. AI is powerful. And like any powerful technology, it should be used responsibly. There are exciting opportunities, but there are also important discussions about privacy, safety, and ethics. That's why learning about AI matters. The more we understand it, the more confident we become using it safely. So today we learned AI helps computers recognize information and perform tasks. Many of us are already using AI every day. AI can make life easier when used responsibly. And tools like Suzy were created to help apply AI in practical ways that support independence, accessibility, and quality of life. In our next lesson, we'll take a closer look at the different types of AI tools available today, what they're good at, and how to decide which ones might be useful for you. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next lesson.